Hi, my name is Butch Kinerney, and we've been members of Pender for nearly 20 years now. And I was asked to read to you our Advent reading today from my favorite Bible, and for me it's called the Firefighter's Bible. And this is a Bible that was given to me back when I was a firefighter in Loudoun County a number of years ago, and it's always held a special place for me. It's a place where I keep notes, I keep pictures of the kids. Here's a cute picture of all of us at the beach in the Outer Banks a number of years ago. So it's always held a special place for me. So I want to read to you from this edition. It's actually called the Holman Standard Edition. And the passage that I'm going to read is from Luke chapter 1, verse 57 through 66. Now the time had come for Elizabeth to give birth, and she had a son. Then her neighbors and relatives heard that the Lord had shown her his great mercy, and they rejoiced with her. When they came to circumcise the child on the 8th day, they were going to name him Zachariah after his father. But his mother responded, "No, he should be called John." Then they said to her, "None of your relatives has that name." So they motioned to his father and said, "What do you want to call him?" He asked for a tablet to write down. Remember, he couldn't speak at this point. So he asked for a place to write down, and he wrote down, "His name is John." And they were all amazed. Immediately, his mouth was opened, and his tongue was set free, and he began to speak, praising God. Fear came on all of those who lived around them. And all of these things were being talked about all throughout the hill country of Judea. All who heard about him took it to heart. And they said, "What then will this child become?" For indeed, the Lord was with him. And this is the reading from the people of God for the people of God. I was also asked to go through and pick out some kindness things, and I'm looking forward to that. So I picked out two, and I decided, I'll tell you why I'm not going to use the one I originally picked. The first one I picked says, draw a picture or write a note of encouragement and leave it on somebody's car. See, this is the way you would do that. But here's the thing. For a lot of big people, the only reason you would leave a note on somebody's car is either a parking ticket or a note that said you backed into them by accident. So I've decided to scrap that one. The one I am going to do, though, which I also really like, it says donate adult socks to Pender's Hypothermia Center. Now, I've been working with the homeless people at the Hypothermia Center for a long time now, and I know that they need socks because it gets cold outside. If their feet get wet, the socks get nasty. It really is a hard time for folks. So I found some socks that I want to donate, and these are called weatherproof socks. And so certainly, hopefully, they will keep somebody really warm as they go throughout the year, especially during the cold season. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you come back tomorrow, and we'll have another reading for you. God bless you.